In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display page cover images in Notion Gallery view. This makes your database more visual and easier to browse. Let's get started. Open your Notion database and switch to Gallery view, or create a new gallery view if you don't already have one. Open one of the gallery pages, then click Add Cover at the top and upload an image or choose one from Notion's built-in gallery. Repeat this for any pages you want to display with cover images. Return to the gallery view and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database. Select Layout to open the gallery settings. Under Card Preview, choose Page Cover. Notion will immediately display each page's cover image on its gallery card. If a card doesn't show an image, open that page and make sure it has a cover added. You can also adjust the card size in the layout settings to make the images larger or smaller. That's how to show cover images in Notion Gallery view. Thanks for watching.